In this Adobe Captivate 2019 training tutorials video, we are going to see Automatic Chroma Key effects. This feature allows you edit chroma key options to personalize the background for your videos. After launching Adobe Captivate 2019 tool, select Video Demo under the New tab. Then click on Create. Here you can see your webcam video on your right and the settings in the left side panel. You can configure the screen capture area and recording audio type settings. Now to change the background, click on Change Background button in the right side of the capturing panel. Then it shows Take My Snapshot button to take the picture of yours. Make sure that the wall you are sitting should be a solid wall, or you can arrange a blue screen or green screen behind you for the perfect keying. Then, draw a vertical line from your head to the bottom and draw a horizontal line across the shoulders. You can adjust the marker at the non-selected areas till you satisfy. Once you are done selecting, click on I am fully selected button. Then, click on My Preview Looks Good button once you are satisfied. Click anywhere on the preview to change the background. The checkerboard background indicates that it is a transparent background and uses your desktop screen as a background. After configuring all your settings, click on Record button. Here you can see your recording as well as capturing screen. This assists in giving information about the tool you are using or the training you are giving. Once you are done recording, you can preview the recording. Here you can see that your background is transparent over the top of the captured video. Even you can edit the video in terms of its position and size. Thanks for watching this video. For more information visit us at www.swiftelearningservices.com.